Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Tiny Treasures Mini is going to give Peppa and her family pool time in our big bathtub. Let's start the water and pump in some orange scented organic bubble bath. When Peppa and her family are done, it's Poppy's turn for bath time. In goes George, Peppa, Mummy Pig, and very muddy Daddy Pig. Oh dear, Mummy Pig is caught under the flowing water. Oh, here goes Peppa. She got sucked in too. And now Mummy Pig joined her. The bathwater is starting to get very bubbly and soapy. It's getting our toys nice and clean. Tiny Treasures Mini is using one of our very popular bath toys for the Peppa Pig family. It's a blue speedboat. There's just enough seats for everyone in the family. Daddy Pig is too big to drive, so he must go in the passenger seat. Mummy will be the driver because she has her boat license. And little George in the front, Peppa in the back. And this is a reminder, Tiny fans, always wear your life jacket when riding a boat, canoe, and even a paddleboard. Safety first. We are all done with our boat ride, but where's Daddy Pig? Silly Daddy Pig. He got a chocolate chip banana muffin out of the fridge and is having a little snack. Now the bathwater is ready for Puppy. I need to remove his collar so that it doesn't get wet and wrecked. And that way we can wash his neck too. Puppy loves warm baths. I always make sure it's not too hot. We're going to use our Olaf cup to get Puppy's fur wet. Now we add some shampoo made especially for dogs. Does that feel a little cold, Puppy? This is cherry blossom. It smells very good. And you can't use human shampoo on dogs. It must be pet shampoo. They have different hair than you and I. We massage the soap into Puppy's fur. Be careful not to get any into Puppy's eye. We've rinsed him off, and now it's time to dry him off. He looks so cute wrapped up in a towel. Now Puppy is all clean. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today is part 2 of Peppa's birthday, and all her friends have gone home, and she's so excited to play with her gifts, especially the Gold Star Baker playset. We're gonna make a cake. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, there's a bunch of interesting gold tools and there's a lot of different colours of Play-Doh. This is going to be so fun! Oh wow, look at all of the fancy tools! There is so much Play-Doh. Let's read the pamphlet. Oh no, drizzle will stain or stick to surfaces. Adult supervision recommended. I better wait for Mummy to use this. Now to decide what to make. There's a lot of yummy things here, but I think I want to make this cake, just without the gold drizzle. Alright, so let's see. The first step is to make the layers of the cake. The first layer is brown. Where's the brown? Oh, there it is. Alright, well, let's get started. I need 2 brown pieces, so let's cut it in half. Roll it out with the gold roller. And use the pink cookie cutter. And there we have our first layer. It's a bit tricky to get off the table. Next is white, then sparkly pink, then another white and more brown. All done my layers. Now it's time to decorate. Icing and sprinkles. Now we're putting on the sprinkles. Oh wow! Oh wow, it's so pretty! I love sprinkles. These sprinkles are pink. These sprinkles are purple. Yay! It looks so lovely. I can't wait to show Mummy and Daddy. It looks so good I could eat it right now, except I can't eat Play-Doh. Oh well, I guess it's time to clean up. I don't want my Play-Doh to dry out.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Peppa Pig and Candy Cat are visiting Bluey and Coco in Australia, and we're going to have a closer look at the money. And Tiny Treasures is here to help. We're going to start with the coins. First, we have the 5-cent coin. And there's a picture of an animal on there.
This Australian animal is called an echidna. We saw it at a farm the other day.
Next is the 10-cent coin. What do you think's on there? Maybe some sort of plant or sea life? Next is the 20-cent coin, and there's a picture of a platypus. The largest coin is a 50-cent coin, and there's a picture of a kangaroo and a large bird. Maybe that's an emu. We saw many kangaroos at the farm yesterday. Let's have a look. We also have a dollar coin. Look at all of those kangaroos. How many are on there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The smallest coin is the $2 coin. Now let's look at the bills. The purple bill is $5. The blue bill is $10. The red bill is $20. And the yellow bill is $50. How much money do we have in the bills?
50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. And 80 plus 5 is 85.
Now it's time for our friends to head to the farm where they'll use the money to buy a ticket, and it supports the local wildlife. Peppa and her family are going for a ride to the park today. They're hopping in the musical SUV. Everyone, hop in. Mommy Pig's going to sit in the passenger seat. Who do you think's going to be driving? Peppa's not old enough, and George isn't old enough, so Daddy Pig is driving today. Everyone is buckled up and ready to go. Quack, quack, quack. Oh dear, there's a duck on the road. Daddy Pig has to stop. Quack, quack, quack. Oh dear, now there are 1, 2 ducks on the road. Quack, quack, quack. 2 more ducks are on the road. 2 plus 2 is how many ducks? Daddy, what are we going to do? We can't get to the park. Well, Peppa, we're just going to have to wait till these ducks move. They don't seem to be scared of us. Daddy, I think there's more ducks coming. Quack, quack, quack. 2 more ducks arrive. How many ducks are there now? Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6. There are 6 ducks. Daddy, do you remember when we bought some duck feed at that little shop? Oh, yes, Peppa, I remember that. That shop is just over there. That might be a good way to get the ducks off the road because they'll follow us. They love food. We got some duck food at a local shop, and they loved it. They followed us everywhere, even the fluffy little ducklings. It's important to feed ducks the proper food, like pellets or seeds. Don't feed them bread or junk food. It can make them sick. The ducks have moved, and now the Peppa Pig family can drive to the park. Goodbye. Whee! Woo!
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are at the Weebles Treehouse and we finally found our yellow slide tiny fans, as it's been missing for quite some time. But we are missing our door. Oh dear. But we have some new Weeble friends to introduce you to. Let's see who they are. Our first friend is Rebecca Rabbit, and she has a little carrot on her shirt. Next is Zoe Zebra, who has some paint on her shirt. Third, we have Danny Dog. It looks like many of Peppa's friends are coming to play today. Next is Susie Sheep with a little red heart on her pink shirt. Who is next? Scoot over. We need to make room for more friends. Thank you. it's Pedro Pony. Hi, Pedro. And Emily Elephant. And we have two more special friends, George and Peppa, of course. And they weeble wobble, roll around. Everyone's in line, ready to go down the big yellow slide. Rebecca Rabbit is first. Zoe Zebra is second. Danny Dog is third. Susie Sheep is fourth. Rebecca Rabbit is almost at the top. Whee! Whee! Peppa's friends who've already had their turn going down the yellow slide wait in the tree house. Now it's time for Pedro Pony, Emily Elephant, George, and Peppa. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They need a little push. Woo! That was so much fun. Now it's time to weeble wobble. And Tiny fans, did you spot the miniature backpack somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Boing, boing. Goodbye.